I meet so many Christians who are very confused about Jesus. They seem to think that because there might have been a man called Jesus 2,000 years ago who established a Christian movement, then got into trouble with the Romans and was crucified for that. Christians seem to think that if they can prove that these events actually happened, that would also mean that Jesus resurrected from the dead and is somehow still alive today after 2,000 years. No. Even if Jesus existed 2,000 years ago, it doesn't mean he's alive today.